Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you what is the grade of the concrete and what is the minimum grade of the concrete we need to consider for construction of any kind of the building which is related to ground story building, G+1 building, G+2 building, G+3 building or G+9 building, G+10 building. So initially I will explain the concept which is related to the grade of the concrete. So after that I will explain you the minimum grades of the concrete for construction of the building. Okay. Grade of the concrete is defined by strength and composition of the materials which are used for making of the concrete material. So generally we are using cement, fine aggregates, nothing but your sand and coarse aggregate we are using for making the concrete mix. Along with that respected mixes we are using suitable amount of the water content. Strength of the concrete is mainly depending upon the composition of this respected four materials. Okay. Generally the minimum strength of the concrete is measured at 28 days of the curing of the respected specimens, whether it is comes under your cube specimens or cylindrical specimens or prism specimens. Depending upon your strength of the concrete, we have to take the values of those respected concrete specimens at the 28 days of the age curing. So strength of the concrete is measured in megapascal, or you can measure it as Newton per mm square also. Okay, so these are the units we are used for measuring the strength of the concrete. Grade of the concrete is defined by proportion. So let us consider x is to y is to z at w by c of some a value. So where x is indicates your cement quantity and y is indicates your fine aggregates quantity and z is indicates your respected coarse aggregate quantity, and the value of a is comes under your water quantity. Okay, so the strength of the concrete is mainly depending upon the two factors. Okay, first one is material properties and another one is amount of the load which is comes for the respected structure. Okay, so initially I will explain you the material properties. So if you want to calculate mixed proportion for any grade of the concrete, initially we have to consider the material properties. Okay, so in that material properties we have different materials are there for making the concrete mix, which is cement and sand and coarse aggregate. So initially we have to find out the material properties, nothing but the preliminary test that are conducted on these respected materials. So first one is cement. The basic preliminary test that to be conducted on the cement is fineness of the cement, initial and final setting time and standard consistency. So these are the major things we have to find out. Along with that respected preliminary test, we have to find out the specific gravity of the cement also. So these four parameters are important for making the concrete mix design. Okay, so next one is sand. Okay, which is nothing but your fine aggregates. So generally the particles which are passing through the 4.75 mmc we will call it as fine aggregates. Okay, the sample which is passing through the respected 4.75 mm ISC is called as fine aggregate. Okay, so first one is specific gravity of the fine aggregate and fineness modulus of the fine aggregates and bulking of the sand. So these three tests are most important for making the concrete mix design. Okay, next one is coarse aggregate. So coarse aggregate is nothing but the sample. Okay, sample of aggregates which is retained on 4.75 mm ISC. So the aggregates which are greater than your respected 4.75 mmc we will call it as coarse aggregate. Okay, so for finding the mix design or mix proportion of the concrete, we have to take the properties which is related to your respected coarse aggregate also. Okay, so coarse aggregate, in that coarse aggregate we have to find out the specific gravity of the coarse aggregate and the fineness modulus of the coarse aggregate. So along with these respected values we need to find out the aggregate impact test value, crushing test value for that respected coarse aggregate. So these are the preliminary tests that will be helpful for finding the mix design of the concrete. So this is the first parameter we have to consider for making the concrete mix. Now the second parameter is loading condition. So loading condition is also important factor we have to consider for making the concrete mix. Okay, so generally for designing of any kind of the structure we will consider dead loading condition, live loading condition, floor loading condition, seismic loading condition as well as wind loading condition. The grade of the concrete will be depends upon this respected intensity of these respected load cases. Okay, so this is the second factor we have to consider. As per Indian standard system, we have two types of mix designs are there. Okay, first one is normal mix and second one is design mix. So normal mix will be comes under your low grade concrete and design mix will be comes under your respected high grade concrete. For designing of any kind of the mix proportion which is related to your high grade concrete, let us consider 25 grade, 30 grade, 35 grade or high grade concrete, we will take design mix. So as per the material proportions as well as loading condition, we will design that respected high grade mix. Next one is normal mix. Okay, so normal mix as per the Indian standard system, they are divided the normal mix into different grades. So they are M5 grade concrete, M7.5 grade concrete, M10 grade concrete, M15 grade concrete, M20 grade concrete. Okay, so for this respected grades of the concrete, they are given different mix proportions. Okay, so for example, let us take first one is M5 grade concrete. If you want to make any kind of the concrete which is related to your M5 grade, we have to take the mix proportion as 1:5:10. Okay, so this is the mix proportion generally we will use for mixing the M5 grade concrete. Okay, second one is M7.5. so if you want to make the concrete mix design which is related to your M7.5, we will take mix ratio as 1:4:8. Okay, 1:4:8 is the mix ratio we will take for making the M7.5 mix design. Okay, next one is M10 grade concrete. The mix proportion of M10 grade concrete is 1:3:6. So 1:3:6 is the mix proportion we will use for designing of M10 grade concrete. The mix proportion or mix ratio which is used for making M15 grade of the concrete is 1:2:4. Next one is M20 grade concrete. Okay, for making M20 grade concrete, we will make 1:1.5:3 is the mix ratio, mix proportion generally we will use for making the M20 grade concrete. Okay, next one is M25 grade concrete. The M25 grade concrete mix design is 1:1:2. So this is the mix proportion generally we will use for making the M25 grade concrete. So this is the concept which is related to normal grade concrete. So if you want to calculate the mix proportion for the respected high grade of the concrete, we need to take the design mix. So by using IS 10262 code and IS 456 code, we will calculate the design mix for that respected high grade concrete. The mix proportion of the high grade concrete is developed by using IS 10262 and IS 456 code. So with the help of these respected codes, we can develop n number of the mix designs for that respected concrete. Okay, so this is the grade of the concrete we will consider for designing of any kind of the structure. Okay, now I will explain you the what is the minimum grade of the concrete we need to consider for designing of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story G+1, G+2, G+3, G+4 and G+8, G+9 etc. Okay, so for making any kind of the building which is related to the ground story, generally we will use grade of the concrete is M15 grade concrete. Please remember. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to only ground story, we will take M15 grade of the concrete. Okay, so this is the first one. Next one is G+1 building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+1, we will take M20 grade concrete. So this is the second one. M20 grade is related to your G+1 building and M15 grade is related to your ground story building. So next one is third one. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+2, we will consider M20 grade concrete, which is same as your respected G+1 building. Next one is G+3 building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+3 stories, generally we will take it as M25 grade concrete. Okay, so M25 grade concrete is the mixed design we will use for making the G+3 building. Okay, next one is G+4 building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+4 structure, we will take same M25 grade concrete. So M25 grade is related to your G+3 building as well as your G+4 building. Okay, so next one is G+5 building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+5, we will take M30 grade concrete. So this is the G+5 building M30 grade concrete concept. Okay, next one is G+6 building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your respected G+6 building, we will take same M30 grade concrete. Okay, so we will design this respected M30 grade design mix proportion as per IS 10262 code as well as IS 456 code. Okay, so next one is G+7 story building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your respected G+7 story, we will consider M30 grade concrete. Okay, so next one is G+8 story building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+8 stories, generally we will use this as apartment structures. So if you want to construct any one of the apartment which is comes under your G+8 story building, we will consider M40 grade concrete. Okay, M40 grade concrete is generally used for construction of any kind of the apartment structures. Okay, next one is G+9 story building. So if you want to construct any one of the structure which is related to your G+9 story building, we will take M40 grade concrete for construction of any kind of the structure which is related to your respective structure. Okay, so this is the concept which is related to the grade of the concrete, and what is the minimum grade of the concrete we need to consider for construction of ground story building, G+1 building, G+2 building, and G+3, G+4, G+5, G+6, G+7, G+8, G+9. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your comments in the below comment box. I will give you the answer for that respected comment. Thank you.